So guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech. So guys, this is the Oneplus Nord 5G and this is the 64GB variant, and today I'll show you the PUBG mobile test on this mobile. As you can see the color, and this is the Oneplus Nord. If you want to watch the unboxing of this phone, the link is in the description below. So let's start the video without wasting any further time. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. So this is the PUBG mobile, and if you guys want to download it after the ban, I'll soon make a video. So comment down if you want the video. The video will be out soon. Subscribe and click the bell icon and wait for the video. Okay, it's showing a 2.39 MB update. Let's update it. Please turn off the light. So now the lights are off for a better experience of the gameplay. You guys will get a better experience. So guys, this is a new account on the phone. I am not using my original account because this is the PUBG from outside. I'll show you how to download it, and let's open settings and let me show you the graphics. Okay, let's see. We will do HDR and high. You can see now we will change the controls to 4-finger customize.
We'll put this here and this here. Now I'll put this here. We'll play 4-finger, as you can read in the title.
Now let's play a match on the phone. Let me select Erangel solo. Okay, it's matching right now.
Let's go. I'll tell you how smooth is it and how is the display. Okay, it's saying please check your connection. Enter match again. The connection is not that frequent on the 4G. Currently we are playing on 4G to test the speed. Okay, now let's check out the display. Okay, the graphics are better than an iPhone 11 and the smoothness is also great. No lag till now. Beginning is good. Okay, now let's check out the smoothness. It's pretty smooth, no lag.
I play PUBG on iPhone XR, and this is as smooth as that. But iPhone has another type of smoothness, iPhone. But the display in this is better than my iPhone XR. Let's go to Buchinki right now. So now it is smooth, and graphics are also good.
Bring up voice chat.
Let me tell you about the sound quality. Okay, let me turn up the volume to full and let me listen, and I will tell you the sound quality. So enjoy the gameplay, guys. I'll zoom in. Guys, we are getting a little lag because of the Wi-Fi, On 4G, it happens. Even in iPhone 12. Okay, enemy ahead, and I don't have any gun. Okay, Uzis. One was enough, but we got two. So now we will kill that. Okay. I think it's a bot now. Where the hell is gone? Come on, bro. Where the hell you are running? So guys, let's troll. Let's troll this person. Okay, now let's kill him. Enough is enough. Come on, bro. You are noob. He's a bot. I am getting bots. So guys, I am not that good at PUBG. If you guys wanna challenge me in GTA 5 online and PS4. GTA 5 online or PS4. Challenge me if you want. If you guys will beat me, then I'll put a video on my YouTube channel in GTA 5 online deathmatch, but not in PUBG. Okay, it is smooth, but not as smooth as my iPhone XR. I am clearly telling that the graphics are better than the iPhone 11 and the smoothness is not better. The graphics are extremely better, but the smoothness is not. Smoothness is good at this price range. No phone can give you this much smoothness. Let's see who is more in there. I am playing PUBG after like 3 or 4 months and this is the result. Before I was better, now I am. Okay. I don't know. Where the hell is the bot? Okay, come on bro, come on. Where the hell is he? Okay, come out man. Okay, bot again. One more bot I think. I don't have a habit to play on this much big screen because I play on the 6.1 inch display. I think this is okay. It's not that smooth now. Graphics are amazing. You can see the clouds. Come on bots. All bots are coming. All the bots are. Where the hell are the bots? Let's check out the tilting speed of the Oneplus Nord 5G. Okay, it's pretty fast. It's tilting too fast. Okay, there's a Wi-Fi lag I think.
Marked a location.
So guys, this is the smoothness and let me show you the graphics. Amazing graphics. So guys, this was all for today's video, and if you want to buy this phone for gaming, yes, you can go for it, and it's not yet heated. So if you want this for gaming and you are looking best phone at this price range, and then I will recommend you this phone. And the camera test was also like the camera was also good, but if you want a phone only for camera and clicking pictures and doing just normal work, so don't go for the Oneplus Nord, just go for the any Samsung phone at this price range. That will give you a better camera than the Oneplus Nord. And if you want to buy a phone for gaming, then probably 100% go for Oneplus Nord. Samsung phones play like if you play like in 20k 20,000 rupees Samsung phone, you will play 25,000 Samsung phone the PUBG. It lags, yes, it lags. In this, it is not at all lagging. just some Wi-Fi issues we are getting on 4G, but as soon as the 5G SIM launches, the speed will increase. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Also click the bell icon to be notified about the camera review of this device, and the full review will be out soon. So this was the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon. Comment down your thoughts about the OnePlus Nord. Bye.